Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking at a piece of gear that
It's the
essentially,
sun hero of the boardroom.
yeah, exactly. The thing that keeps a modern presentation from turning into a total technical meltdown.
Right. We are unpacking the Kramer VP-778.
Sourced from the HDTVSUPPLY catalog. And honestly, calling this thing just a switcher feels like an understatement.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
It is much more like the central nervous system for a high-end AV setup. Our mission today is to really show you how it handles everything from 4K video to long-distance transmission and even audio mixing.
Right. You've got the brain, the nerves, and the voice all in one rack unit, which is perfect for that nightmare scenario where you have, four different presenters.
Bringing entirely different devices.
Different resolutions, different cables, and you need it all to look completely seamless to the audience. So let's start with the brain, the inputs.
Looking at the back panel, it handles 8 inputs. You get 4 standard HDMI and 2 HD-based ports.
But the 2 DVI-U connectors are what really stood out to me. That's the universal standard, right?
Yeah, it is. And for professional environments, that inclusion is critical. DVI-U isn't just a digital format. It accepts analog signals, too.
So with a simple adapter, you can handle VGA, component, or composite video.
Exactly. It completely eliminates the need for external format converters. So when that one guest speaker shows up with a 10-year-old laptop that only has a VGA port,
you just plug them right into the matrix, problem solved. It bridges the gap between legacy gear and modern displays.
but getting the signal in is only half the battle. You have to process it. The VP-778 uses something called pixel-perfect scaling.
Right, which lets you configure it as a single 4K output or dual HD scalers. Though I did notice one constraint on the spec sheet for you high frame rate fans out there.
The 30 Hz limit.
Yeah, the 4K UHD output is locked at 30 Hz. For high-stakes spreadsheets or standard presentations, that is incredibly crisp. But for smooth motion graphics, it might feel a little stuttery compared to 60 Hz.
That is a fair point. It's definitely optimized for presentation clarity over high motion video. But where it really shines is image stability.
Using the KIT XL technology.
Yes, for picture-in-picture or split screen. Because it has those 2 independent scalers, you don't get any glitching or tearing when you overlay the sources.
And that rock-solid stability extends to the switching itself. We have all suffered through that awful black screen pause.
Right, where the projector loses sync for 3 seconds while you swap inputs.
Exactly. This unit buffers the video frames, right? So you get completely seamless switching.
Precisely. You can cut or fade, swap or follow instantaneously. The projector never sees a break in the signal, so it just looks like a broadcasted TV show.
So that's the brain. Let's talk about the nerves, distribution. Because if you are wiring a massive lecture hall, a regular HDMI cable is going to die after maybe 20 feet.
You start getting sparkles or just total signal loss. That's where the HT-based advantage comes in. It sends video, audio, and control signals over standard twisted pair cabling.
And the distances are wild. In normal mode, it sends signals up to 130 meters. That's about 430 feet.
And if you upgrade to specific shielded cabling, you hit ultra mode. That pushes a 1080p 60 Hz signal up to 180 meters, almost 600 feet.
Which is huge if your AV rack is in a closet on the other side of the building. So finally, to complete the nervous system analogy, we have the voice.
The audio integration. It doesn't just pass audio through, it has a built-in 2x10 watt power amplifier.
Meaning you don't even need a separate audio receiver for your ceiling speakers. Plus, it has 2 mic inputs with a talkover feature.
Which is essentially audio ducking. The system detects the presenter speaking into the mic and automatically lowers the background audio.
So the voice just cuts right through without needing a sound engineer writing the fader.
Exactly. It's completely automated.
So bringing this all together, the price tag floats around $4,544, which might sound steep to you at first.
Until you start pricing out a 4K scaler, a seamless switcher, a legacy format converter, an HD-based transmitter, and a mixer amplifier all separately.
You'd spend way more money, not to mention having a rack full of messy cables and 5 different points of failure.
This consolidates that entire chain into one box.
It really kills the Tower of Terror AV rack, which leaves us with a provocative thought for you to mull over. With super appliances like the VP-778 handling everything from scaling to long-range transmission in a single chassis, are we reaching a point where the traditional component-based AV rack just disappears entirely?
It is a fascinating shift in the industry.
Definitely something to think about the next time you plug your laptop in and the screen actually works flawlessly. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. Catch you in the next one.